Fresh Market in Burbank. Today we have a really special recipe from Sara Lee. It's actually a 2 sandwiches in 1 recipe that you can find on our website at tonysfreshmarket.com, on our Facebook page, on our Instagram, and on our Twitter page right now. Now that recipe has 4 sandwiches in 1. It's called a family pleaser sandwich. We'll show you how to do it in this video. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for your chance to win not 1, but 5 $100 gift cards from this video. We'll pick that winner next Wednesday, so this contest ends on Tuesday. So be sure to like, comment, and share this video for your chance to win not 1, but 5 $100 gift cards from us for this video. So if you want to come in and see how this sandwich is made, what we do is we start with King's Hawaiian rolls. We cut this in half, which I already did before this. You cut it in half just like that. So then you remove the top. I'm just going to move it over here. And we're going to start with the blue cheese dressing. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your blue cheese dressing. Now you can go ahead and substitute this with other ideas as well. I know on theirs they also had some barbecue sauce, some mayonnaise, mustard of course. But you're just going to go ahead and spread this blue cheese dressing all around. And now we're doing this with the Sara Lee Turkey, which is on sale this week at Tony's Fresh Market. All locations. All right, so we got this nice blue cheese dressing spread around here. Awesome. And then we're going to go ahead and take that turkey and we're going to load this sandwich up. Now, what makes this recipe really unique is that it's 2 sandwiches in 1. So you could also do this with a couple different varieties of meat. We're using the Sara Lee oven roasted turkey breast today from the Tony's Fresh Market Deli. And what you can do is you'll grab your turkey slices and start loading it up. I'm going to fold mine real nicely here. So I'm going to come on in and take a look at this. And we're just going to fold it up here so everyone gets a nice slice of turkey as they're eating their sandwich. Now this is a great back to school recipe, whether you're doing your back to school virtually or in person. It's a good one for the whole family. I'm just going to add another slice right here, nice and even. Perfect. So now we're going to get to the part that makes this sandwich a 2-in-1 sandwich. This is where it gets a little tricky, so make sure to follow along. We're going to start with the spicy version. So we're going to take this nice arugula here. So if you like your sandwich spicy, you're going to divide the sandwich in half. Load this 1/2 with the arugula. We're also going to take some carrots here. Throw these on. Looks good. Nice veggies going on here. And then you're going to add your celery. Beautiful. Oh, lots of celery here. I love celery. All right, so then to make this spicy, you're going to add some hot sauce to it. Now I know some of you are watching and you're like, Nicole, what happens to the other side of the sandwich here? Where's the other ingredients? That's where we go ahead and we're going to do the sweet version. So you're going to take the spinach, add your spinach to the second half of the sandwich, just like that, and some nice pears. Pre-cut these all up. There we go. It looks good. And all you're going to do after this is top the sandwich right on, just like that. Now that I have my knife here too, you're going to divide this sandwich however you want. I'm just going to divide it in half. And just like that, you've got 2 sandwiches with Sara Lee, and they've got one that's the spicy arugula, and then you have the other one, the sweet version with the pear and the spinach and everything like that. So that's it. It's great. You can divide it however you want. You can go ahead and, if someone's got a smaller appetite for lunch, you can go ahead and just divide it right up like that. And it's really easy. There's more of this recipe on the Tony's Fresh Market website, on our Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. Different varieties you can do, but today we're doing the turkey version. We've got a spicy and a sweet, or whatever your preference may be. And we really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to pick up your Sara Lee Turkey this week at Tony's, on sale this week. You can also get your easy pickup here with King's Hawaiian. Get those rolls, make your sandwiches for whatever you're doing for back to school, virtual or in home. Whatever you're doing for school this year, it's an easy sandwich to make for lunch, dinner, whatever makes your day easier. So we appreciate you guys watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for your chance to win not one, but $500 gift cards from Tony's Fresh Market. Get those votes in, likes, comments, and shares. By Tuesday, we'll be picking the winner on Wednesday of this video, and then check out the recipe on the Tony's Fresh Market website. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.